Hi guys, my name's Lefti. This is a Ugolini MT2 slushie machine, and this is a very quick video I put together to show you how to do your weekly clean of this machine. So first thing to note is to keep the drip trays in place. Leave them last, because once you start taking the machine apart, any liquid in the system will find its way to the bottom and start spilling out everywhere. So you want to catch it to save yourself more work to do. So I'd start with the lids. There are electrical components inside, so get yourself a wet cloth, damp cloth I should say, and just give that a wipe down to get any sticky stuff out of the way. So both lids you can do there. Next up is the bowl itself. So this is secured into place on this little latch there, so you push it forward and lift it. That's released it there. The seal will probably be quite tight, so you might have to give it a little bit of a wriggle. Try not to take it too much from the front there, so just from the bottom, shake it left to right, and eventually you'll get it away like that. So let's put that down there. Next up, you've got your mixer. So you rotate that clockwise, put it towards you, that comes away, and now your internal mixer there. So that's on a magnet in there, so you can see, so it catches very easy. So you can put it away there, get that out. So these components, folks, you can wash them under a sink, warm soapy water. Don't put them in a glass washer, please. So yeah, get those to one side. So I just want to show you one more thing. Just want to show you how to get the handle away there. So just pull the pin towards you like that, and the handle will just slot out just like that. So a couple of things to note here, guys. Obviously you're starting to find yourself with some smaller components. Try not to lose these. So remember, you've got the pin for the handle. There's a couple of seals on here. So when you're washing this, please pay extra care to make sure you don't lose those little seals, because that'll just give you a leaky handle. It's just a nuisance. So take care of those. And just lastly, on the bowl here is you've got this strip of metal. This connects to your light at the top. So if you lose the strip of metal, you lose your light. So another one to be aware of, you've got two on each bowl. So please keep that in your mind. So you've got yourself to this point here, folks, and the last thing to take off the machine is the rubber seal here. That just comes off from the back there, really easy. Over to the sink with your other components, wash it with warm soapy water. And while you're there, just check that there are no tears, because that's really important for your seal, which we'll see later. So the other thing I want to tell you for the weekly clean is this one very important bit of maintenance. So if you just turn the machine to the side, so it's really easy for you to see that. But on the left hand side of the machine, as you face it, you've got this grill here and a couple of these screws. I've got rid of the first one already to speed things up, but unscrew it, and now you can lift this away there. We've lost the black mesh, so I'll just pick that up in a second. Now what you've got is the grills there. After a week or so, these start to collect dust, and this, as I was saying in previous videos, this is where the air comes in, and you need it to keep the machine working well. So your one very important bit of maintenance, keep yourself a paintbrush or a small brush close by, a soft brush, and just using the grooves and the lines of the grooves, just get rid of any dust there like that. And that way you've got a nice clean machine, and that was a great way to keep your machine very well maintained. So this black mesh goes back on, and the grill, bit from the front first actually. There we go, jumping around there. Screw back on, don't lose your screws. And there you have it, folks. These are the components you should be cleaning once a week. So just get the machine apart once a week, just like that. Clean your grills. Things to remember are on the bowls themselves, don't forget the lights. The seals there, don't lose those. You have a leaky tap, which you don't want, so pay attention to those. And of course the pin. All your components in warm soapy water once a week, and that should be a great way to keep your machine nicely maintained. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, we've got other videos across the channel detailing how to put the machine back together, a quick start guide to using the machine if you've never seen one before, and we've got our FAQ pages, so tons of online support. And if you can't find what you're looking for, pick up the phone, get in touch. We'd be delighted to help you. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and talk to you soon. Cheers.